6 jobs that AI may replace. Soon the last one will shock you. Artificial intelligence is growing very fast, and it is already changing how people work around the world. Some jobs are becoming easier, some jobs are changing, and some jobs may be replaced in the near future. Here are 6 jobs that AI is already starting to replace. Number 1, office workers. Many office workers spend hours writing reports, organizing files, answering emails, and entering data. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT can do these tasks in seconds. Because of this, companies may need fewer people for routine office work. Number 2, drivers. Self-driving technology is improving every year. AI systems are already being tested in taxis, trucks, and delivery vehicles. In the future, transportation may depend more on automated driving systems. Number 3, supermarket workers. Many supermarkets now use self-checkout machines. Customers can scan items and pay without needing a cashier. This reduces waiting time and reduces the need for workers at checkout counters. Number 4, customer support workers. Many companies now use AI chat assistants to answer customer questions instantly. These assistants work 24 hours a day and can help many people at the same time. Number 5, translators. AI translation tools can now translate conversations and documents very quickly and accurately. This makes communication easier between people from different countries. Number 6, graphic designers, basic design work. AI design tools can now create posters, logos, and social media content in seconds. Instead of designing everything manually, people can simply type an idea and get results instantly. But here is something important to understand. AI is not only replacing jobs, it is also creating new opportunities for people who learn how to use it. The future will belong to people who work with AI. So the real question is, are you ready for the future of work?